So now let's see how we can work around with noise filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that an image is opened up, and in order to add in noise over here, you can go around over here onto filter, and then you can see noise is an option. So you can go around and simply click on add noise, and you can choose the amount of noise right here, as you can see, to make the picture a bit more like, let's say, static right here, as if it is coming from a television. You can make a Gaussian noise over here as well, so that there's a bit of uneven distribution to it right here, just like this. And you can also make the noise monochromatic, meaning there is no color noise right here. So this is a type of noise that you can add in to make it look as if it is coming from a television. You can also go around and add in different type of noise right here by going around onto filters, of course, and by going around into noise. There's this speckle noise right here, just like this. So you can go around and add in such noise over here as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z because it just added in a bit of noise, very subtle noise right there. You can go around onto noise and add in dust and scratches as well. So you can go around over here, and you can see that you can really go around and add in a bit of blurry noises and add in a bit of threshold over here as well. And you get this kind of a noise when you select this. Let me just press cancel right here, and then I'm going to go to filter, and I'm going to go to noise and go to median right here. Once you do that, you can go around and then change around, add in median noise over here, just like this as well. So once you do that, let me just go around over here onto noise, onto median noise. You can increase out the radius right here, and that is how the noise is applied. Let me just press cancel right here and go to filter right here onto let's say noise. And if you were to go around and reduce out the noise, then this is what you have. You can increase around the strength right here, preserve out the details right here. You can reduce the color noise as well, and then get the type of noise that you want. You can increase the strength right here. And let's say you don't really want to preserve the detail, you can go around and then not reduce the color noise at all, and you can remove the JPG artifact over here as well. But once you do that, press apply, then you can see that a different type of noise is added. And you can add in noises to make your photos a bit more older or more let's say more retro, according to retro as well, according to how you want. So that is how you can work around with noise filters inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.